We've got some crazy weather today. It's been snowing, like blizzarding, and we've had thunder and lightning at the same time. It's been pretty awesome. I'll show you what it did to our greenhouse and what the blizzard looks like right now. I don't know if you can tell very well, but it is like whiteout condition out here. It snowed about 8 inches or so since last night. It snowed so much, our greenhouse, like it was blowing and kind of leaning the greenhouse a little bit to one side, and then the snow came and then it was squishing the greenhouse over so much that the greenhouse slid over by about 1.5 feet, and we had to dig it out along this side to push it back upright again. Pretty crazy today.